In this video, I will show you how to easily remove background in Photoshop. Go to Object Selection tool. Select this object. Add a mask. Right-click and choose Select a Mask. Follow these settings. Now, we will run the Refine Edge Brush tool along the side of the hair. Click on Decontaminate Color. Output to New Layer and Layer Mask. Press OK. Go to Adjustment Layer. Select this color and press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorial.